Today I want to tell you about the Mimblewimblecoin project and how to install the MWC wallet. MWC project: scarcity, scalability, privacy, fungibility and security. The MWC HODL program rewards MWC owners who don't have any movement of funds on their MWC wallets for a specified period of time. 2 million coins in a verifiable wallet have been allocated to participate in the HODL program. The primary purpose of the HODL program was to act as a very important check and balance on the possibility of a hidden inflation bug being abused. This would manifest itself as more MWC being registered than are supposed to exist under the consensus rules. Connect with MWC. Click Tap Wallet. We need to go to the official MWC website and download the appropriate version of the MWC wallet for your operation system. I chose Windows 8 Plus, 64-bit standard CPU. Click. Next. I agree. Next. Next. Install. Run the program. We need creating a new wallet, setting a password, setting a password, create. We need to create a new seed for our wallet. MWC network, mainnet. Submit. We need to preferably on paper the mnemonic passphrase. Please save these words on paper. Warning: never disclosure your passphrase. Never type it on the website. Don't store it electronically. OK. MWC token. Address. MWC MQS online. Tor online. HTTP online. So we created a wallet for receiving, sending, and storing tokens. Thank you everyone.